now, the bug. Don't get me wrong, it's not a nasty bug, but the one to match with all the good-looking men in the film, and the one who can probably distract our very own 2.0, the super sizzling and smoking hot. Who else but Amy Jackson? Amy, first I have to say you look gorgeous.
Thank you very much, Karen. You look very dapper as well.
Thank you. Now that we're done with the pleasantries, we can just daunt you with the daunting experience of this film. I mean, did you know that you were going to be part of a historic film like this?
I had no idea that I would be part of a film on this caliber with people like Mr. Rajnikant and Akshay Kumar and Shankar. So I'm very lucky, and I've got my director to thank for that, for involving me in this film.
And were you at all intimidated by all these powerful men all at once?
The thought of it, yes, I was, but actually on set, it's like a family, and it's a really, really lovely experience, and I'm learning a lot from everybody, so it's fantastic.
Do you know what's happening around you, or are you just dazzled by it all? Like suddenly when you have so many computer graphics, this kind of scale, everyone's doing something so diligently around you, and it's, like as I said, the most expensive film made in Asia. Are you completely in tune and in sync with what's happening?
I think you have to be, but that has not happened easily. It's very new. It's something that I'm very new with, and I'm just embracing it. I have no idea what's happening behind the screen and with all the gadgets. That's not my compartment whatsoever.
Just want to make sure you look stunning in every frame.
Oh yeah, one of those.
Well, tall order, you had Aishwarya Rai in the film that they collaborated with before. So, but I'm sure you were looking smashing, beautiful, and as beautiful as ever, like you always are, Amy.
Thank you, Karen. That's lovely. Thank you very much.
I can't wait to see you on screen. But for now, welcome to this platform, and let's move on with the evening and see you later. Thank you. Thank you, Amy. Thank you very much. And now, the CPU, people without whom the entire project would not have happened. With great pleasure, may I invite on stage the chairman of Leica Group, Mr. Subhash Karan. I'm very well, sir. It's an honor to meet you. And for a man who's put this kind of money into a film, you look like you're still smiling. I'm very surprised about that. Why are you smiling so much? If I had to put this kind of wealth in a film, that is one thing I would not be doing, is smiling. But you're smiling, you're still smiling, lovely. Give it up for Mr. Subhash Karan, and his entire team. How does it feel, sir, to be part, or to kind of make sure that a film of this magnitude is going to be put out there? What is the feeling, sir, truly, from within?
I have a good feelings. I like the script, so I decided to go for it. Nothing else. Thank you.
That is the best producer in the world to have. I like the script, and I said go for it. You must not give any of my directors in my company these ideas. Because I say go for it a lot, but then they really go for it. And when they go for it, you've had it. But this is amazing, sir, and we're all so proud. I'm so proud, being a filmmaker, to be part of this spectacular evening, and I can't wait to watch the film. Truly, everyone here, sir, thank you so much.
I just take this opportunity to thank my chairman, not on behalf of CEO of Leica, but as a hardcore superstar fan. Currently, I just wanted to share something that is quite interesting in the social media. If Shah Jahan would have got 3 courts, Taj Mahal wouldn't have been made. And if this gentleman would have sat on arithmetics, this magnum opus wouldn't have been started. I thank him personally on behalf of all the superstar fans and Akshay sir fans. Thank you.
We truly are with the Shah Jahan of producers right now, who's going to make his epic Taj Mahal and make us all as a film fraternity so proud. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Something to my Tamil friends out here and whomever watching throughout the world, the unique selling point is the combo, and personally for me, the best selling point would be the 3D technology involved in it. It is not converted into 3D, it is created into 3D, it is shot in 3D. And for all the friends out here and all the Tamil fans who is watching here, தலைவர் அங்கே பார்த்துருப்போம், இங்கே பார்த்துருப்போம், அங்கே பார்த்துருப்போம், இங்கே பார்த்துருப்போமா. ஸோ யூ கோயிங் டு வாட்ச் தலைவர் க்ளோஸ் யுவர் ஐஸ்.
Thank you. I welcome you with tremendous pride. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Truly an extraordinary league of gentlemen. And now,